Yo, that one I drop in at 2017. Vybz Kartel with How. Disclaimer, that one I go pause a lot because I want to try catch everything when I say. Let's go.
Your pussy clot, your blood clot. I done well. Pussy clot, bastard.
Yo, big up Dunwell. Big up Dunwell. Yo, him have some great productions I wrote. Big up Dunwell.
Why? So well. Oh, you feel bad mind your friend. With the blood clot to them. With the blood clot to them. Cut them off like Gillette. Or you feel...
I don't want to see the thumbnail and think say it's a normal thing I go on here, so you know. I don't like everything my cartel do have meaning. Everything have meaning. You just have to just looking at it.
Bad mind your friend. When you move and go away, give them a spinners with 6 shots for Russian roulette. Boy, you real.
Oh, you feel bad mind your friend. You feel move and go away. Give them a spinners with 6 shots for Russian roulette. So when you give him the spinners with 6 shots, remember say a 6 shot the spinners holding up. So the first time him squeeze him, I go kill himself. Because it's not Russian roulette. Russian roulette a 1 shot. Man say you give him a spinners with 6 shots. Russian roulette. We now pull up. Let's go.
Me don't know rate me. Talk ya talk. But me not hear nothing. Just blah 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 blah.
Yeah, say you rate me, brother. You not rate me. I just talk ya talk. So guess what? Since I talk ya talk, me not pay no mind. Me I block out everything where you say over there. So teacher.
Can't stop me. Stop light and green. I'm a artist clean. But me thugs them mean. No
you can't stop me. Stop light pan green. I'm art them. I'm art clean. I'm thugs them. Yo, hold on, man. Teacher say you can't stop me because the stoplight they pan green. When you drive and you see a stoplight, what you do? You see a green light, what you do? You go, you not stop, right? So you must say you can't stop me because guess what? Light they pan green anyway. And even if it was the pan red, you can't stop me. See me a divert.
Fuck with me, this is no love affair. Rushing on my artist clean, but me thugs them mean. No
oh, the loving of my art is clean. But me thugs them, alright.
fuck with me, this is no love affair. Rush me for my girl, pussy sell everywhere.
Don't fuck with me. This is no love affair. Love as fuck. You must say, oh, don't fuck with me. This is no love affair. You grudge me for my girl, pussy sell everywhere, my youth. So if you can't get a bonafide girl for yourself, go buy some fuck. That's what I'm telling you right there. So, don't explicit. Yes, we are pass a lot. We are breakdown.
You vex with your friend, show him buy a bike. Wait till the black beam a touchdown like NFL. You that's bike on your...
Are your friend your vex with because him buy a little bike? Wait till you see the black beam. What you gonna do? Ain't Judas? What you gonna do?
Say who that? Bat fly back Cuba. What time now? Mula. Time for your stopwatch, man. Give thanks for what you have. When...
Yeah, man. Somebody don't spend too much time. I watch people, bro. Give thanks for the little one you have. Give thanks for the little one you have. Just remember, say somebody else out there now have nothing. And you have little. Stop bad man and next man will have a little bit more than you. Stop it.
I will blind you. Or make man wine you. Oh, you feel bad mind you. Watch man. Give thanks for what you have. Red eye will blind you. Or make man wine you. Oh, you feel...
Red eye will blind you. Or make man whine you. You're too ready eye. Ready eye will blind you or make man whine you. You make man jump on you. You make man open your back door for things. That's what I'm tell you. Aye.
Bad mind your friend. With the blood clot to them. With the blood clot to them. Cut them off like Gillette. Or you for bad mind your friend.
Oh, if you bad mind your friend, cut them off like Gillette. Gillette razor. One of them man you shave. Yeah. Cut them off like Gillette. Yes.
For move and go away. Give them a spinners with 6 shots for Russian roulette. Boy, you rate me. You no rate me. Talk ya talk. But me not hear nothing. Just blah blah blah.
Yo, I must say, anything my teacher do, anything your teacher say, have meaning. Look on the G right here, so we have the wally per kind of my drop out time on. Look here. Who is this here supposed to be? Like everything have meaning, bro. Yo, teacher.
Blah 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 blah. When you can't stop me, stop light and green. I'm an artist clean, but me thugs them me.
Alright, get to the second verse here. Now, let's go.
Somebody fi trust see okay. Don't worry, it'll be okay. Dog, friend is like a tonsil. Something you can do without. Push.
Friend is like a tonsil. Something you can do without. If your tonsil like a gear problem, you gotta cut it out though. Yeah? You want somebody for trust see okay. Yeah, no. Hey!
Come to shove, them I show you out. Once your friend like your enemy, don't keep your enemies close. Fuck real. Trust me, not trust nobody.
The man talk about keep your friends them close, but keep your enemy close. So the man say, yo, fuck that. Don't do that. No, keep no enemy close. Don't trust nobody. Don't trust nobody at all, me G. Whether enemy or friends. Yes, Friend. E-N-D at the end. Friend. END, so one day it go end. Don't trust them neither.
Up to them and them will hurt you for the fun of it. Stop it like a bad habit. Oh, you feel bad mind your friend. With the blood clot with them. With the
Man say show love to them and them will hurt you for the fun of it. Drop them like a bad, stop it like a bad habit.
blood clot with them. Cut them off like Gillette. Oh, you feel bad mind your friend. Oh, no for move and go away. Give them a spinners with 6 shots. Russian roulette.
Yo, obviously, that song I dropped 2017 and me bid meds that song yeah, from its first drop. But at the first, me actually I break it down and I hear what I say, bro. The spinners with the 6 shot, bro. At the first, me I look into it away, I say, bro, shit.
You rate me, you no rate me. Talk, but me not hear nothing. Just blah, 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 blah. When you can't stop me, stop light and green.
Yo. What else Kartel fi do in a dancehall, bro? Like, seriously. What else the teacher fi do in a dancehall fi acknowledge Kartel as the greatest dancehall artist? Like, what? Come and see people with question mark over Kartel and ask that, bro. Like, what else him fi do?
I'm an artist clean, but my thugs them mean. No fuck with me, this is no love affair. Rush me for my girl, pussy sell everywhere.
Yeah, man. Some boy will go you for nothing at all. Nothing at all, I'm going to for G.
Vex with your friend, show him buy a bike. Wait till the black beam a touchdown like NFL. Do that spike.
Wait till the black beam a touchdown like NFL. Oh, I get it. Wait till the black beam a touchdown like NFL. NFL touchdown. Wait till the black beam a drop. Wait till the black beam a touchdown. Wait till the black beam a clear the shipment. Clear down a wharf and drive out on the road. Wait.
And you say you who that? But fly back Cuba. What time now? Mula. Time for your stopwatch, man. Give thanks for what you have. When die we blind you. Or make man wine you. Oh, you
see it and we massage your dog. Massage you.
Bad mind your friend. With the blood clot with them. With the blood clot with them. Cut them off like Gillette. Oh, you for bad mind your friend. Oh, no for move and go away. Give them a...
That picture, yeah? Me keep on looking at this picture. Isn't this picture the picture with this picture represent again? I've seen this picture so much time and I can't remember what it represents. That picture in my grandmother's house over somewhere in my grandmother's house. That picture there, not the front room.
With 6 shots, Russian roulette. Boy, you
but not with the kinds them at drop out and whatever. Not that. I think what was it something about the Last Supper or something like that? You say it is.
Me don't know rate me. Talk, but me not hear nothing. Just blah 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 blah. When you can't stop me, stop light and green. I'm an artist clean, but
now hear nothing, brother. Blah blah blah. I don't tell already say blah blah blah. On a muffle, on a sound muffle. Now here, I'm sorry, you have no credit left.
thugs them mean. Talk, blah 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 blah. Talk, blah 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 blah.
Yo, the song basically done there. So, yo, teacher, bro, what else? What else teacher fi do in a dancehall, brother? We have so many different versions of teacher. We have teacher in like the new millennium teacher. We have teacher when I'm a war with Vado. You have bleach out teacher. You have prison teacher. You have after prison teacher. Yeah, yo, like who else, bro? Who else? From Kartel forward out till now, Kartel not drop catch, bro. Kartel not flap, bro. Kartel not flap, bro. Him career always there. Relevant. All when the GD prison career. Yo, I don't know. I don't want to think about that in the comment section still. You see me? I'm music, me say, I'm out.